Hi, this is Teacher Dan. Welcome to our online teaching video about pet and farm animals. First, let's talk about pet animals.
Pets are the animals that we take care in our home.
Do you have pet? Awesome! Pet animals. The first one is
Dog. Dog. Let's spell dog. D-O-G. Dog.
next is fish. Fish. Let's spell fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Bird. Bird. Let's spell bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Cat. Cat. Let's spell cat. C-A-T. Cat. Rabbit. Rabbit. Let's spell rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. And now, let's go to the farm and let's talk about farm animals.
Farm animals are the animals that are being taken care of in a farm.
Our first farm animal is pig. Spell pig. P-I-G. Pig. Next, cow. C-O-W. Cow. Duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Chicken. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Goat. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat.
That's all for today. See you again next time. Goodbye.